Welcome to the EdbMails step-by-step guide to remove duplicate emails from IMAP server. EdbMails IMAP Duplicate Remover lets you seamlessly remove duplicate emails from any IMAP server, including Outlook, Gmail, Zoho Mail, Zimbra, cPanel, and more. Simply connect your account and choose how to handle duplicates, move them to deleted items, perform a soft delete, or opt for a hard delete. Achieve a clutter-free and optimized inbox effortlessly. EdbMails offers a secure and cost-effective solution for managing duplicate emails without compromising your data. Its advanced search capabilities allow you to detect duplicates with precision by matching criteria such as Internet Message ID, email body content, subject, date, or sender address. Save time, optimize mailbox performance, and reduce storage costs, all while ensuring your data stays safe and under your control. Let's walk through the step-by-step procedure to remove duplicate emails from IMAP server using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Remove Duplicates from Office 365, Exchange Server and IMAP Server option.
Click Let's Go.
Select Duplicate Remover IMAP Server option.
Click Continue.
Click the Select Hostname button. Select the appropriate hostname for your source IMAP server.
Click Continue.
Enter the email address and password. If you're connecting to Gmail account, create app password and use it here. Click Login. Expand the mailbox. Select the mailboxes or folders you want to remove duplicate. Select the required actions. Select the required search criteria. Click Remove Duplicate.
Click Continue.
Enter the job name. Click Continue to initiate the migration process. Remove duplicate operation under progress. Remove duplicate operation completed. Click View Log button. That's it for hassle-free IMAP deduplication process. Visit edbmails.com today.